Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install a brand new bumper on a John Deere. This is the up-to-date one. You can't get the old style 2-bar no more, but the part number is right here. These run for about $100 US. There's the direction, just throw them away. Come with these clips and pins here. These slides right inside the frame rail, so you're gonna have to bend these in a little bit. So I'm gonna put it on this side. It's out about a ½ inch here. I'm gonna push it in and slide her in. It locks in there just like that. It locks in here, right here, and this is where you're gonna put the pin in. Slide your finger all the way up there. You just wiggle the bumper a little bit. Just barely made it. I'm going to put the washer on there and install the clip. There you go. Steering this way so you can hold it like this. Or if you got two-way tape, put it on your finger. Stick it like that, put it in there, pop it in, but I'm going to show you it can be done just like this. Right there. I'm push my finger on the pin there so it doesn't drop back in there. Alright, put the pin in. Put the clip in here. There you go. That looks a lot better. If you like this video, please thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.